Good morning and welcome to the module 2, lesson 3 of NX11. In this particular exercise, in this particular video rather, we are going to learn about Revolve tool and the second model creation also we are going to discuss. So the learning outcome of this particular video will be the first one is creating a datum axis at some particular location and available direction only. We will be using wherever the axis is available, that particular direction only we will use in this particular exercise. Then use how to use the Revolve tool. Then how to select the datum axis or reference line. Then how to specify the vector. How to define start value and end value. Also we will learn how to create a plane at an angle, then reordering the feature, use start value and end value options. So let us start the particular exercise. So first of all, you can open new, then give a name. So let us give M02 EX02, let's say, then OK. Now we can orient to isometric view orientation. So all of you know that extrude and revolve are the two options in which we will be using single sketch. The other all options may be using some or one or more than one sketches, say. So you can go here this tool, under this extrude tool you can see revolve. So select revolve. Okay, so let us first create the datum axis. How to create a datum axis? Here you can see datum plane. If you click on the drop down arrow here, you will find a datum axis option. Okay, so here you will get all the different datum axis creation options. So first of all, I am choosing the point and direction. So symbol 1, point and direction. Then specify point. Here you will get all the point creation options. So let us go for the point dialog here. Then cursor location is available, or you can give absolute coordinate system like X, Y, Z, where you want to place the first point. Let us say I want to place the point some 100 millimeter away from the origin. So you need to simply add the value here 100, then OK. Now you can see the point is created here 100 mm away. Now you have to click the vector, how you want to specify the vector. Let us say if you click here, you will get the axis created towards the Y direction. If you click Z direction, you will get a axis on the Z direction. X direction we do not require for this time because that axis is passing through that point. Or let us say if you want to edit the point here, you can add some value here, say 20, then OK. Now if you want to change the direction, you can click the X point dialog, you will get an axis parallel to the X axis. If you want to change the direction towards Y, Z, so everything is available. So this is the datum axis creation options. Let it be there. Or okay, so this is the axis. Now we have to go for the revolve tool. So go for revolve, then select curve it is asking. We do not have any curve sketched on the any of the plane here available. So what we will do, we will go for sketch section, and let us go for the, so I'm not going to use this axis for now, revolve. So let us say I will use this plane, and OK. Now let us create some symbol sketch. So let us create some symbol sketch. I'm simply creating a bush. Let us say something like this. Okay, it's on the midpoint, doesn't matter. Okay, close the sketch. Now let us coincide this also. So go to this this point, press Ctrl key and select the axis. So let me remove this vertical constraint here, delete. Now, okay, so before that, this, press Ctrl. So coincident, so I have made that one. Now if you want to edit the dimensions, you can do that. Okay, I'm not going to edit any dimension for the time being. Okay, now finish. So just symbol shape, it's a bush. Oh, actually this should come here. Okay, that will be like this for better clarity. Okay, so finish. Now it will ask for specify vector and specify start point. So let us say this is my vector z axis, start point is somewhere here. So based on that particular start point, it will make a revolve. So let us say I want to specify some value, start value and end value. I can define here, say 20. So angle is degree 20, and let us say this is 270. So like this I can define the revolve value. Okay, so now let us say I want to use some other options. So what is the next one? Particular angle, also selection of datum axis or reference line. Let us say I want to add a reference line for this. So I can go here, edit parameters, then go to sketch section. Now let us say I want to add some line. Okay, let us say some line is there. So this I want to make construction, then finish. Now I'm going to select again, vector is same, then specify point. Let us say I want to select the specify vector. Let us say okay, actually okay, I want to remove that okay, then okay. So now I am getting a different direction. So what I have done, I have edit parameters, and no, I think the point is different. So let me select the point on endpoint. So now I can select this, then okay. So that is how we edit the Revolve. So let us say edit parameters. Once again I want to change to the previous location there. Suppose specify vector. So let us say inferred vector here and specify point. So let us say existing point, then okay. So let us click the isometric view. So this is our object. Now let us say I want to add the other option in the revolve option. If I go here, I can see here instead of that until selected is there in the start, as well as until selected is there in the end. So how to do that? So what I am going to do is I am going to make current feature here. So this will be, I am going to reorder. So I want to get a plane available here so that I can edit. So datum plane and at angle. So if you click here, you will get so many different options. So I am going to use at angle. Then select a planar object. So right now I have 3 planes. So I want to select one of the plane here. Then select a linear object. So linear object, I can select the axis. Now I can define the angle. This is 60 degree. From that selected plane, it is moving 60 degree. If I want to change, I can change it. So 60 degree is okay for me. Okay. So for the purpose, I want to add one more plane. So datum plane at angle. So select the planar object. Then select a linear object, then define the no, that is not correct. So let me use another linear object, same this one only I will use. So let us add some value here, 120, let us add 120. Then okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to again activate this, make current feature. Okay. Now if I edit this, edit parameters, now I can use the until selected option because I will get the planes. So let us select this plane. Then end, also I am going to select until selected and selecting the next plane, then okay. Now you can see what is happening, right? So if I edit this plane, minus 60, if I change this, then okay, I will get a different angle here. Similarly, if I edit this one, I will get a different profile. So like this we can modify. So reordering the feature, everything is covered. So this is a simple tool. Then next is we will create the second model also. Then we will learn some other options. So I have a drawing here. Okay, this is the drawing. This particular object we are going to create. So let me delete this, undo. Okay. Okay. So isometric orientation, right? So now how to create this this particular object. So here So this in this y direction, this is x direction. Let us see what is the, this is x direction, this is the y direction. So first of all we have to see the orientation properly. So in the x direction 55, y direction 50. So let us create this. So all the dimensions are available, 55, 50 and 10. Let us create the base. So extrude, then sketch section, select this, then OK. So you can see this is x, this is y. So let us draw the rectangle. 55 tab 50. Okay, enter. 55 in the x direction, 50 in the y direction. Finish. Then the value is how much? It is 10 mm. So this is 10. Then OK. So to make sure that our drawing is correct, so we have to analysis, go for measure distance. So simply we will click on the edge here. Sorry. Symbol distance. Let us select this. Sorry. Press. I think I have to press Control key. So measure distance, select point or object. So this is the point and this is the second point, 55. So it is correct, 55. What we are seeing here, this is also 55. Now next there is a so we don't have directly this dimension, but we have this dimension. So from here it is 25 and here also 25. So let us create a datum plane, offset datum plane at 25 distance. So go to datum plane. So at angle will change to at distance and select this, and here 25. Then OK. Now we are going to extrude, sketch section, and on this plane, then OK. Now let us create simply a rectangle. Now we will check the dimension. From here it is 25 and this is 25. So we will give as how it is given in the drawing, right? Rapid dimension. So this is 25 and from here to here this is also 25. Then close, finish sketch. Now we are going to use until selected, and we will select this face. Then it will be unite. We have to use unite. So automatically this body also will get selected. Then OK. Now we can hide this plane. We do not need to show this plane. Okay. So now next we have to create this particular rectangle, and here 5 is given. This 5 we have to use this 5. Then until next. Okay. So what we will do, we will go for extrude and sketch section, and on this face we will sketch. Okay. Now we will make a rectangle. Okay. Then dimension. So this is 15, this is 15, and from this edge to this edge it is 5. Close, finish. So we will use until selected, and we will select this face. Unable to trim, change the trim type data. So we will use until next. Okay, then okay. So now I forgot to tell you one thing. So we will rename all the different commands or different features we have used. So this particular thing we will rename as, sorry, this cancel. So this we will rename. This is the base feature, base. Then this one bigger pad, or pad 25 we will give, pad 25. Okay, then this one pad 15, something like this. So to indicate when we visit the model next time, it will be easy for us to modify. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. So we will save the drawing, save the model. So thank you.